I just sat down to film and then I remembered that I was supposed to walk my dog around the same time as I sat down to film. So I stopped filming, went outside, and we got caught in the rain. Today, you're definitely getting somebody who's right from the beginning of the video looks like a wet rat. And you're welcome. Today, I want to continue the saga of me trying to make things out of other things because I want specific pieces of clothing that would require me to order it from really far away, or I don't know, maybe I'm just trying to save money. I don't know, maybe I'm just trying to change some of the clothing that I don't have the use for anymore into something that I can actually use, and actually enjoy. Today I'm going to create a top, like a reconstructed type of top, because on this channel we do not saw or do anything properly. Maybe someday I will do it. If something happens to me and I become a different type of person who doesn't mind sewing and learning how to use a sewing machine, maybe then I'll reconsider my tactics. But today we're going with a tried and true, technically no tools kind of approach, which means that I'm just going to use scissors. We might use some, fabric glue or something like that. That's the most effort I'll put into anything that comes down to sewing, because I can't do it. I've tried multiple times. I was forced to do it as a child and I hated it. And now as an adult, I just hate it even more. So I saw this top last week or something like that. And I've seen this top on multiple websites and multiple variations for a while now, but it's not that easily accessible in the West yet. And I don't really want to order it somewhere and wait for it for like a month because I have patience of a child. So I'm going to do it just out of a dress that I don't wear anymore. Or actually, I never wore that dress. Let me show you. It might seem normal, or maybe you can't even tell what the hell it's supposed to be, like what kind of shape it is. But it's like a bodycon dress. It's supposed to be like a tight knit dress that you wear. It's off the shoulder. It's cute or whatever, But the thing is, it's literally see-through. I don't know if you can see it right now because I am filming it at like 10 p.m. or something like that. Yeah, it's 10 p.m. I don't know if you can see it, but this dress is so goddamn see-through. What am I supposed to do with this, This kind of style is perfect for this. I'm not sure if it's exactly perfect. Okay, I'm not gonna go that far, all right? We're gonna know at the end of it all because the neckline here is off the shoulder. All the examples that I have and that I've seen were not off the shoulder. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if I figure out how to do this. But basically what I want to have at the end is I want to have the top as like a crop top, and it's because it's double layered, it's not going to be that see-through, it's not going to be that terrible. And I also am thinking of maybe using it as just a layering piece. So I would wear a proper thick crop top and then wear this part that's like folded part on top, and then have the sleeves separate and with like made into those cute arm warmer thingies. I think that's a good idea. I think it is, and it requires just some scissoring. Scissor cutting with scissors. The worst thing about filming videos, to be honest, is the fact that like I have to be just talking to myself and sitting in complete silence because I need to record myself with a mic as well, Which is just like, can you imagine doing crafts in complete silence? Gross. It's gross. Well, that's what I'm doing. All right. This is where the layer part ends. I feel like I might give it like an inch under, just in case. I can always cut it off if I want to, but if I cut it off too far, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult to fix that problem later on, Maybe I should be like sitting properly at some, I don't know, at a table or something along those lines, but I just really don't feel like it. So if you're watching this for like tutorial purposes, this is a lazy person's tutorial, alright? So I'm not too worried about showing everything properly because you'll figure it out. You're a lazy bitch like me. You'll figure it out. You'll be fine. Well, maybe. Actually, alright. Maybe I should have grabbed something to mark it or something like that, but I sure didn't, so. Oh my god. Now I have a skirt. No, it's not a skirt. Listen, you cannot... I think I can cut off the entire thing, to be honest. And it will be fine. Yeah. I decided. Let me fold it properly so it's right at the seam on both sides so I don't f up. Okay, well, we're gonna have to figure this out. Looks like penne. Ooh, also I think I'm gonna cut these bitches off because they're always so annoying. Oh. Okay, I can actually wear this. It's cute. Maybe not the noodle arms, I don't know, we'll see about that. I don't know how I feel about my arms in this, but it's kind of cute. And also I think I decided to go with this noodle part down, and I'm going to align it with my thumb, and I'm gonna make like a little hole. Well, this is a look we're committed to, you know, like I just have to kind of continue. This is like too much of a hole, like this is a hole, you know. I'm just trying to show off the entire outfit, but does this look like a dystopian kind of outfit to you? A little bit? Is that what I should call the video? Dystopian outfit? From the side, it kind of makes sense a little. A little bit? No? Kind of cute. I am going to fall if I do this for a long time, but I just want to show off the actual shirt. It's a little dystopian, it's a little bit scavenger look. This is today's DIY. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.